Hello everyone, welcome to Cookies Asime. Today I'll be showing you how to make one of the most easiest homemade snacks ever. It's crispy, it's golden, it's crunchy, and it's also sweet. And if you want to start a small business from it, why not? To make potato chips, you need the star ingredient, which is sweet potatoes. You actually have to be careful in picking this because you need potatoes which are firm and also dry. This will help your chips to be crunchier. And then you need this too, which is known as a grater. I got this at a price of 500 naira in the market recently. So you can actually get this, it's affordable, or you can use a knife. This can actually also serve as a peeler. So you can see how easy it is to peel the potato. Very, very easy. But I don't like it. It was not fast enough because it was not getting to the crevices of the potato. So I had to use my knife, and you can see how fast it is. I'm sure if my mom watches this video, she'll be like, you've peeled all the whole potato finish. So I'm going to peel the potato and put it into a bowl with water because we want to rinse out the potato. Note, I washed my potatoes before peeling them. That's why the water is not as dirty. So I'm going to remove all the spots on the potato because we want our chips to look really fresh and supple. You can see. So when you are doing yours, please make sure you remove all these excesses on the potato. You want the skin of your potato to look really good. So we're going to add water, clean water, into a bowl and then add salt. While we're adding salt into this water, is for taste, first thing first, and also it removes excess starch from the potatoes, and it also prevents the chips from sticking together, so you get. And then this our grater, we are going to use it again. So this slicer that is there, you're just going to put your chip on it and then just roll it out. It will come out underneath the slicer. You can see how easy it is. Why you should use this grater is because you want a really thin chip. A really thin chip means that your chip will be crunchy. It will not be soggy, it won't be soft. It will be easy to fry. The texture will be easier to even control in hot oil. Do you understand? So you can actually get this too. Just 500 naira. That's less than, I don't know, to any currency, but 500 naira is really affordable. And you can just do it. You can see easy. But if you can't make use of this, or if you don't have it available at home, use your knife. As I'm describing in this video, I'm using my knife. Even though the sizes are not equal and the shapes are not equal, but the knife is still doing the job. So if you have a knife, you can make use of it. That's actually simple as ABC. But you have to make the slices really thin as possible. So after slicing, you're going to get this beautiful creation. Soak this for about 10 minutes and then put oil into your pot. The oil should not be too hot. I added onion for extra flavor and taste. It gives your chip a really distinctive taste. So I'm going to use a strainer to strain out the salted solution from the chip, and then I'm going to pour this into the hot oil. Please note that you are frying this chip on medium heat. The oil is not too hot and not too low. Do you get? It's just medium. The bubbles are showing, but smoke is not coming out though. It's just bubbles. That's how you know that, okay, this oil is in moderation. And you can see that this is actually deep frying. Do you understand? So you actually check it on fire. Please don't forget your chip on fire. These actually have a very huge tendency to become burnt. So please check it regularly. Wait though, if you have reached to this point of the video and you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? I'm on my knees. Please like this video, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much. So you can see that the chip is already getting ready. When you notice that your chip is already becoming hard, yes, this is how you know, okay, this is perfect and is already turning brown. Please don't allow it to turn completely brown on fire. That means it's going to get burnt. So you're going to put the fried chip in a strainer to strain out excess oil and then allow to cool. Please do not pack your chip while it's still hot. Don't ever make that mistake. It will become really soft when you do that. So you allow it to cool. Cooling process, just put it on a flat surface. It should not take more than 30 minutes for it to cool. You can see how crunchy this is. Like, look at it. Even this one that is pale, but is really crunchy. That's how you know that, okay, you did a really good job. If you follow the process of this video from the beginning, follow audio tips, you should get yummy chips like this. And after frying, I didn't add anything to it, but you can actually decide to add paprika to it for enhanced taste, or you can add pepper while it's still hot, so that it will just mix with the chips. Do you understand? If you want to add any extra thing like grounded pepper or paprika, add it while it's still hot. So I got this containers at the price of 300 naira per one. Yes, that's how much I got it, and it's a tight lid container. You should store your chip in a tight lid container, airtight, so that air will not get to it and it will not get soft. If you actually want to sell it, this is a very good business to start. You don't need too much, just potatoes. I will show you the amount of potatoes I got for 1,000 naira. A lot. This is actually the season. If you are currently in Nigeria, this is the season of potatoes and plantain. You can even make this for your kids at home. Use it as snacks instead of buying biscuits and stuffs for them. And if you want to sell it, you can get nylons like this. A pack of nylon 100 of this is 800 naira. So you can see that it's cheap. You just need oil. A bottle of oil is 2,000 naira. And I got this amount of potato for 1,000 naira. You see, that's cheap while in the season of potatoes. So grab your copy now if you want to start a small business that is easy to make, low cost and high profits. Potato chips is actually the answer. Very simple. Thank you for watching. You can check my channel for other similar recipes.